Songbird, today I'm going to show you the top 3 most common mistakes that many singers make, and more importantly, how to fix them. Getting louder and pushing chest voice at the higher notes. Now, how do we fix this? We've got to release laryngeal tension, and we have got to balance our registers. Now, here is a bubble exercise, but with a difference. So normally when you do the bubble on an arpeggio, it goes like this. Right? Now, what we're going to do this time is that as we go up, we're going to get softer. And then as we go down, we're going to get louder. So the bubble itself actually releases a lot of that tension that we were talking about before to stop you from pulling your chest voice up and causing heaps of tension. And the fact that we're going up and getting softer is helping us to not pull up and get louder and get more tense. And the fact that we're getting louder coming down is we're actually balancing out the bottom registers and making sure we've got enough chest voice in there. So it's going to sound like this. Did you hear how I got slightly softer as I went up and then slightly louder as I came down? Now, Songbird, if you want access to the extended version of these exercises and tailored towards male and female range, you can get free access to that by taking the free trial of the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy. Just click on the link to check it out. Over-breathing. You know, a lot of the time as singers, we have this sort of wrong perception that we need to be just breathing a lot. You know, we never have enough air as a singer, especially when it's a high note or if it's like a loud, powerful note. We feel like we need to take in lots and lots of air. And that results in over-breathing. And then when you're over-breathing, you actually cause a lot of tension, which of course is going to come through in a voice that sounds strained, okay? So how do we fix this? Well, we just take what we need, okay? And we also make sure that our breath or our inhale is engaging the rib cage, okay? So not, and having your chest and your shoulders rise up and, this loud, gaspy breath, but we're just keeping it real chilled and silent, right? And we're actually just stretching the rib cage and we're opening up the lower torso of our body. So we're just going, right? It's a really effortless inhale. And I said the key is just to take enough. So I want to give you a quick pro tip here. If you are singing in chest voice or belting, you actually need less air. That's right. I know it sounds really counterintuitive, but that is the truth. And when you're singing more high head voice notes, then you need more air. So that's where you would just take a bigger stretch in your rib cage. So stop over breathing and just take what you need. Songbird, if you're loving this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell. That way you will never miss any videos that I drop, and other songbirds like you will also find this video and learn to sing as well. Singing with a closed throat. A lot of the time we sing with our throats really closed. So that means the soft palate is down. It means that the larynx might be actually hiking up really quickly and up, and our throat just feels really constricted, right? And that, of course, is going to result in a bad sound in your singing. It's going to make you sound as if you are straining. It's going to feel painful in some ways. You're going to actually get tired a lot quicker. And you might actually be flat or sharp, right, in terms of your pitching. So it is super important to make sure that when you're singing, you sing with an open throat. Now, one way to practice this is with one of my favorites, the silent laughter. So that means you're going to basically laugh, but without making much sound. We're going to try it together, and I want you to feel what does it feel like in your throat when you actually do this? You should feel a sense of opening in the throat, like there's like a wide open space inside your throat. All right, let's pretend to silent laugh. So how we're going to do this, we're going to pretend like you're sitting in a classroom and you're not listening to the teacher. You're just totally not listening to the teacher, and you're like whispering with your friend next door, and you're just laughing at something your friend's saying. But of course, you can't laugh out loud because then the whole class is going to be looking at you, and the teacher's going to look at you, and actually, you're going to get in trouble. So you're going to try and laugh silently without anybody knowing. So like this. Okay. All right. Now, when I did that, I felt this incredible openness in my throat, and I hope you did too. So one of the things that I would like you to try doing is practicing the silent laughter and then singing a song and trying to keep that same beautiful open feeling as you sing the song. Songbird, if you would like to take your voice to the next level and you're really looking for step-by-step guidance on that, then look no further. Click on the link below to take the 7-day free trial of the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy and access all of my online singing courses that will take you from the singer that you are today to the singer that you have always dreamed of. I can't wait to see you there. Just click on the link below. Songbird, want more on how to sing better and to stop making singing mistakes that are common? Go and watch this video here. It's going to really help you. Now, Songbird, you know that I am always believing in you, so why don't you get out there, get grounded, take flight, and sing.